My favorite part of the holiday season is centered around a mainstay that many people display in their own homes. That's the Christmas tree. These decorated trees have, for many years throughout history, become a symbol of light during the cold winter weather, and they gave hope for new life during the new year. The trees are most commonly evergreen conifers, like spruce, pine, or variety of firs, like Douglas fir, for instance. Many people have decided to axe the journey of getting their own real tree from nature for their own home, and instead place their ornaments, garland, and other decorations on artificial trees made from plastic. While these do look great, and they do a fantastic job of demarcating a place that the presents will be stored, there's one thing that these fake trees lack, and cannot mimic in any way, and that's the smell of Christmas. One of the most impactful parts of my childhood was taking in the aroma of a fresh tree in my home, and it definitely helped me get into the holiday spirit. Like everything in our world, there is a great deal of chemistry behind why the smell of Christmas is everlasting in our minds. What's amazing is that it turns out that there's much more to the aroma's chemicals than just giving scent to this holiday season. The main molecule that goes into producing such a smell is called pinene. In the tree itself, the most common isomers is alpha-pinene and beta-pinene. Alpha-pinene is found in the resin of the tree and is more abundant than beta. The chemical formula for both alpha and beta-pinene is C10H16. In the resin, turpentine can also be found, hence why many consider the smell of these pinene isomers to be turpentine-like. The scent given off by the tree also consists of many molecules. Some of them include limonene, myrcene, camphene, and phellandrine. All of these molecules are part of the larger turpentine family. While these are commonly found in growing plants, there are many reasons why the trees and woods smell the way they do. They are also found to do much more. These terpenes can actually react with chemicals in the air around us to create aerosols. This formation can act like a seed in the air for clouds to form from water vapor. This is the reason why it's common to see a blue haze over forest when looking from afar, as it leads to shorter wavelengths from the sun. Outside terpenes, there is one major ingredient that makes up the pine smell that we're used to. That's bornyl acetate. It is often called the heart of the pine, and is a volatile oil in many pines, which is the reason why the smell is generally described as fresh and clean. It is part of the ester family, which are generally used in fragrances. Many holiday-scented air fresheners will turn to bornyl acetate for the base of their scents. I hope this gave you an insight into what chemistry means for a staple of many homes during the holiday season, the Christmas tree, and its unmistakable scent.